everyone, this is Prachi Jetli and we are here at Ashiana Banquets in Downers Grove celebrating Cheti Chand with the Sindhi Association of Metropolitan Chicago, and the guest of honor today is the Consul General himself, Mr. Somnath Ghosh, and there is also a live singing concert by Palomi Mazumdar, and there is going to be cultural program, lots of festivities. So let's enjoy the Sindhi New Year with the association. Let's talk to some of the organizers and let's enjoy the event. Thank you.
Cheti Chand is the Sindhi New Year. It actually, Chaitra Mas.
I see.
It's the lunar month.
Right.
Uska, it's like Cheti Chand. It's like 2 days after that new moon.
And that's called the New Year for Sindhi.
And association had like about 500 families in Illinois, and we meet for Diwali, have a picnic, and eat the similar food. And there are some other festivals that also we celebrate around, like Tej.
Right.
We have a Tijdi, and then Sawan ke mahine mein we do Thanda Khate Hain. We do those kind of things.
Amazing.
Right.
Thank you so much for the information, and we wish you a very happy Cheti Chand. And we look forward to celebrating with you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, so as we are celebrating the Sindhi New Year, let's talk to the president of the organization, Sindhi Association of Metropolitan Chicago, while we have the chief guest, the guest of the event right here with us, Mr. Somnath Ghosh, Consul General Chicago. Vinita Gulabani is with us. She is the current president. Vinita ji, congratulations and Happy New Year. Please tell us about the event, and of course we have our special guest, so please say a few words to our viewers.
I'm so overwhelmed having him here on our New Year Cheti Chand. Sindhis all are very excited. So I would like him to say, give a message and say something about us Sindhis. Thank you.
Namaskar, thank you. First of all, congratulations and my best wishes to all the Sindhi sisters and brothers who are here and who are members, and those families who are to come together under the Chicago Metropolitan Sindhi Association. And we know that they are doing extraordinarily well in USA in general and the Chicago land in particular. They are great, the entrepreneur. They are doing extremely well in business. Their children are doing well in universities. So they make us proud. So, Sindhi people are very much part of our Indian identity, and Indian people, you can even find the name in our national anthem. So it's great that they come together, and today on the occasion of Cheti Chand event, I wish them even better in future. In this occasion, I also want to remind you that there are Sindhi sisters and brothers from Pakistan who are living here, and I want to wish them well. I congratulate them on this occasion of Cheti Chand. I know how difficult life is sometimes, and I'm sure the things will change. Thank you.
All right, so amongst all the special guests that we have here to celebrate Cheti Chand with the Sindhi Association, we have the mayor of village of Oak Brook, Mr. Larry Herman with us. Vinita, a few words and sir, your message as well.
thank you, and in our Sindhi language we say Sadai Ayo. So it's a happy Cheti Chand and a New Year day for us, and we are so thankful to you for making some time for us and coming and rejoicing among our celebration. Would you like to give a message to our people?
I would. First of all, Vinita, you and I have become very good friends. I get to see you so often now. It's been a pleasure to become a part of your community. I thank you, and I wish your entire community a very happy Cheti Chand.
Yes.
I'm very happy for you, and I wish everyone a very happy celebration and happy years and days ahead. So thank you for including me very much.
How do you like the enthusiasm inside? How did you feel?
I feel welcome, I feel happy, and I'm looking forward to having a really good time this evening. So I really appreciate being a part of your group.
All right, we are here with the mayor of village of Schaumburg, Mr. Tom Daly. And here he is again supporting the diversity, supporting the Indian American community. He is here at Cheti Chand, the Sindhi New Year. Tom, first of all, thank you so much for joining the celebration.
Sure.
Your message to the Sindhi Association, and what are your feelings today?
Well, first of all, I'm honored to be here as usual. I love coming to these events. They're very extremely festive, which is so exciting, and so a very happy New Year for this event, and I hope we'll have a great time here.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Prachi. Well, feel good to be here at Ashiana Banquet, celebrating Sindhi Association of Metropolitan Chicago, celebrating Cheti Chand. That's a new year. This is truly a divine and I would say auspicious occasion, celebrating New Year of Sindhi Association, and would like to wish them very best. The current president of Cheti Chand is none other than Vinita Gulabani. She was also past president of our FIA Chicago, and has done a phenomenal work with FIA, and also through other association, ICAS. She's doing a very noteworthy work. So we would like to congratulate her also and the entire membership of Sindhi Association for organizing this very beautiful and elegant event.
All right, so we are here with Dr. Gopal Lal Malani from the village of Oak Brook. We all know him. He has served as the mayor of the village of Oak Brook, representing all of us, doing great work in that village and supporting the Indian American community as well. And today he is here. He is a Sindhi as well. He is celebrating the Cheti Chand with Sindhi community. Sir, your message to Sindhi community and to everybody who is watching this video.
Actually, it was in 2011 that I got elected as a mayor of Oak Brook, and I served for 12 years. And I didn't know this till my spiritual master came here, Dada Waswani. And Dada Waswani made a statement, which up to that point I wasn't aware of, that Gopal Lal Malani is the only Sindhi mayor in the United States of America.
Wow.
So today is so appropriate that the Sindhi Association has invited me to be a part and parcel of the celebrations of Cheti Chand, which basically means a Sindhi New Year. So I'm so happy we are celebrating the 1074th birthday anniversary of our Saint Julela.
Gulwani ji, Dr. Lal Malani, my old friend, all the sisters and brothers, Sindhi sisters and brothers and other members of diaspora, a very happy Cheti Chand, the New Year celebration that you have been celebrating over probably millennia, who knows how long. I recall in this context that you are some of the oldest people. You are the people who hold the heritage, who carry the heritage of the old Indus civilization. That's what I believe. And you are the people whose identity is very much part of Indian identity. That's why every time when we sing our national anthem in India, we remember you. So it's a great day, it's a happy day. I don't have to say anything about the achievement of your people. You know how to do business, how to prosper, and may Goddess Lakshmi help you more, help you contribute to the society in India and in United States. And my best wishes to all Sindhi people all over the world, wherever they are living, whether in India, whether in Pakistan, whether in USA, whether in any part of the world. Be happy, be prosperous, and we are with you. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sundar Tekchandani and she is my wife.
Kavita Tekchandani.
And I'm one of the oldest member of the Sindhi Association. And Sindhi Association is one of the oldest associations of India. And I think it's about more than 60 years that this association exists. I was born in India, which is now in Pakistan. And slowly people start moving. Practically we uprooted from Pakistan. And then we re-established ourselves. And we are one of the most fluent and affluent community of India, Sindhis particularly. And over here we are celebrating the Cheti Chand, which is the New Year's Day according to Sindhi calendar.
Jai Jhulelal.
Jai Jhulelal.
We have been a part of association for 48 years. Matter of fact, today is the 48 years that I came into this country.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah. Actually, we are celebrating our Ishta Devta Jhulelal's birthday. He was born in Sindh, Roheri side, Nasarpur. And he saved a lot of Hindus from converted to be a Muslim, so we celebrate him on his birthday.
Amazing.
Good evening. We are here to celebrate Cheti Chand with our Sindhi Association, with our brothers and sisters who have come from, quite a few of us have come from Sindh. I was born in India, but he was born in Sindh. So we want to wish everybody a happy Cheti Chand. Thank you.
We all wish you Happy New Year, right?
Happy Sindhi New Year.
Happy Sindhi.